Okay, so when you're in your library, creating a note does not necessarily get updated to the group. So in order to make sure that it goes to the group, go to our groups, click on your three sisters, and then whichever one you want to make a note about, go ahead and open that and go to your notes or annotation and just put in your annotation there. And when you're doing your paragraphs of annotations, so that you want to be triple sure that I know that it's yours, just go ahead and put your name in front of that paragraph. And that way anyone else can write more stuff after that if they want to. Once you do that, you want to go up to your sync button and sync. And then now that annotation should be visible to everyone in the Three Sister group. But if it's in your library, like if it's just in your personal library, that will not necessarily show.